Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we're in my Ford Fusion today, and yeah, the AC stopped working again. So it stopped working probably maybe like a day after I did that temp fix with the blend door actuator. So apparently it wasn't that, but it worked for a while after that. So that's just sucks. That's just weird, but whatever. So did some digging again on the forums, the Fusion forums, and found out that it's my HVAC control module. Well, at least it's gotta be, because fuses are good. I mean, the pressure's good, the compressor's good, there's Freon in the system. I mean, the clutch fan's good. This has gotta be the only thing that's left, to be honest with you. But we're gonna give it a shot and hope it fixes it. So your HVAC control module is, in this car at least, is this system right here. And out of the car, it looks like this. So this is a used one from the wreckers. The button's worn out here, but everything else seems like to be in good shape. So I'm gonna just, if it works, I'm gonna transfer this button over onto this just to make it, good. So I got this probably 30 bucks, free shipping, from a junkyard off eBay in California. So I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna put this one back in. It's supposed to be really hot and humid today, so I'm gonna hope it works. And yeah, let's get started. So it's fairly simple how to take these dashes out in the Ford Fusions. So you're gonna open this on up, and you're gonna take out this rubber mat that's right here, 2 rubber clips on the sides, and you can take that and put that out of the way. And then there's gonna be 8mm bolts right down in here that you get. And then I really got to get myself one of those plastic pries, because using screwdrivers really damages your plastics and vinyls and whatever. But I just don't know why I don't get one. It's been years, but I don't. So what we're gonna do is just plastic tabs that are right here, pry up on them, and there's gonna be 2 screws right behind there, 7mm, and there's clips all around. You just pry back, and all the plugs need to come out. All right, let's get her done, shall we? That's off. Perfect. I gotta get back to my pry tool. Let me see if I can. Here. Perfect. Alright, now the next step is that we have to get these pieces off down here. So we're gonna pry the chrome piece up. Take a screwdriver, and you're gonna come in here, up in the front here, and you're just gonna pry up. When you pry up, it pops these clips up here. That comes up. Holy crap, that is scary. Thought I was gonna break something. Get down in here now, and you can pry up this piece right here. Perfect. You come down on the back side here, and you're gonna plug the radio connection, and then your HVAC control module connections, and your traction control, heated seats, and whatnot. After you unplugged everything, you're gonna see there's on the corner here, and there are 4 T20s. Now this definitely isn't a fix for everybody, because I mean, it's not just gonna be this guaranteed, and it's not gonna be the blend door guaranteed. Like, there's so many different parts in the AC system. It's not gonna be just one. You can check out that temporary fix that I did that could possibly permanently fix yours right here in the link above. But for so far right now, this is working. Is it gonna continue to keep working? I don't know. I'm gonna do a little bit driving around here and hope that this is a permanent fix, so that way I can take this back out and pop off that button and put in my button that's not hacked with fingernail crud, trying to get that off. Like, I don't understand why people are such monsters. Just touch the button nicely. You don't need to fucking go all ape shit on it. I don't understand why people are freaking Godzillas. So, but hell, you know what? This is fixing pretty good, so I'm gonna drive this around a little bit and I'll be getting back to you guys in the end. Alright guys, I think it's finally fixed. I'm hoping it's finally fixed. Drove around for about 10 minutes, and usually by then it usually kicks in and starts blowing freaking hot as crap. So I hope it's fixed. Seems like it's fixed. The next video definitely is going to be letting you know it's fixed, but it's not going to be just letting you know it's fixed. It's going to be swapping out the button right there, because that just looks like ass, to be honest with you. So yeah, so you guys do what you want. Like, share, subscribe. Greatly appreciate you do either one of those things. Mainly subscribe. That would be phenomenal. Alright guys, you guys take care and you have a great day.